Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you exactly like what I would do after I get out of the shower, because I just got out of the shower. Yeah, so here's just like kind of like my nightly routine, what I do, and it's kind of a lot of steps, but I like to give myself almost like a full facial at night, you know, gotta have the skin looking good. Right now I have some breakouts, but they look better than they did yesterday. So I have a lot of products, they're all behind me right here, but I'm gonna be doing the like full face routine that I would do typically. I probably do this exact one probably like 3 times a week. So let's just go ahead and get into it. First, my face is washed. I'll show you what I use though, just in case. To wash my face, I use the Kiehls. I don't know if this will focus on it or not. Of course it's not going to. There we go. I use the Kiehls Rare Earth Deep Pore Daily Cleanser. I love Kiehls. It's a really, really good brand. And so far I've seen really good results with my skin. It's supposed to exfoliate your skin, and it's kind of like natural stuff, so it's not anything harsh on your skin. And then I wash it with my Clarisonic. This thing is awesome. What is this one? This one is the Mia 2. I don't really know the differences in all of them. I just know I have this one. Woo, everyone needs a Clarisonic. You need, okay, everyone doesn't need it, but I really highly recommend getting a face cleanser brush. Mine is really nasty right now, but you can get all sorts of different brush heads and stuff, so that's pretty cool. And you can tell like the biggest difference if you're using this and if you're not using it. I think there's some like at drugstores or stuff that you can like pick up, like a clean and clear one maybe. I'm not really sure. But I know a Clarisonic is a really good investment and worth the money. So you might look into that. Oh, okay. Now we're getting into the actual face routine. So makeup off, no makeup on. Let's start. What do I do? Oh yeah, and if I don't wash my face in the shower or something, I use Clinique. Take the day off. This stuff is awesome. It's like a balm, and you just dip your fingers in it, and it's almost like a, kind of like a Vaseline feeling. I don't know, it feels kind of weird on the face at first, but I really, really like it, and it takes your makeup completely off, so it's super easy to do if you're just kind of feeling lazy that day and don't really want to do your full skincare. This is great. Clinique, take the day off, check it out. You can get it at Ulta. I think it's like 30 bucks or something, but it's definitely worth it. It's lasted me a long time. So to actually get into the skincare, I normally do a face mask first. So I'm going to be using the L'Oreal face mask. These are the pure clay masks, and they are really awesome for such a really good price, like $10 I think, and they're awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply this first. So I just took the mask off of my face, and next I do pore strips. I use the Biore pore strips. I think everyone kind of uses these pore strips. They're pretty well known. Shay Mitchell uses them, so I'm like, okay, if she uses them, I'm gonna use them. I have the combo, so I put one on my chin and I put one on my nose as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. All right, now I get to look crazy for like another 10 minutes. Okie dokie, so I just took my pore strips off, and now after that I tone my face. I use the La Mer, the tonic. So it's really good and leaves your skin feeling really, really refreshed, and I really enjoy it. This will help get all of the excess dirt off of your face that you did not get while you're cleansing it, and all of that good stuff. Perfect. So after I tone my face, I use the number 7 Youthful Replenishing Oil. It's just in a little bottle like this, and you have the little dropper. And I usually tend to get dry on my nose. Right here I get some dry spots, and under the tip of my nose, like the weirdest spots. I put that oil all over my face in these areas where I'm dry. It works really, really good if you do have dry spots. So I do recommend finding like an oil or something to put on your face if you have that problem as well, because it really helps your makeup go on smooth too. Next, I use a spot treatment. I use the Clean and Clear Advantage Acne Spot Treatment. It has salicylic acid. Just like an acne medication. It's oil free and it works really good. I can always see a difference in like spots like these. Like yesterday, this was a lot bigger and redder, and now it's not as bad. So I literally just put this on every little spot that I find on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Once you put that on your face, then I go ahead and I moisturize, of course, and so I'm using the Kiehls gel moisturizer. I really enjoy this because I have oily skin, so a gel works really good. Once you spread that all over your face, then I have one more step and then I'm done. Last but not least, I use a eye cream just to put underneath my eyes to make it look more bright, not as puffy and not as tired. I use the Eminence Organic Skincare. It's just an eye cream, the Marine Flower Peptide Eye Cream. So I just get a little bit on my hand and I just put it underneath my eyes. So I definitely forgot to film an outro for this, but thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video before you leave.